In this video, we're going to take a look at how to set up the train body drawing. We're not going to go through the entire steps of showing all the dimensions, as you will be provided a fully dimensioned train drawing to replicate, but I at least want to show you how are some of the settings, how are we able to set up the drawing in Fusion. So down in the bottom left corner, I'm going to go ahead and add a new sheet. From here, I'm going to go ahead and click on Base View, and then utilizing the train as our base view here, I'm going to go ahead and turn it actually over to the right side so we can see the train like this. I'm going to go ahead and also bump up the scaling to a 1:1 scale, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place that right here, and I'm going to go ahead and say OK. Now the other thing is I'm going to need to just pick out the train body. So the train body is right here in my browser. I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to choose suppress all except selected. So it's going to suppress all the other items except for the train body that I have going on here. And what I'm going to do for this particular case is I'm going to I can collapse my miniature train assembly here in the browser, and I can go ahead and project the top view, the back view, and the front of the train, as well as the isometric view. However, the isometric view is in this orientation. I really want it to be a little bit different. So actually I'm going to go ahead and just hit the green check mark, place these views. To get a proper isometric view, I'm going to go ahead and choose projected view, and I'm going to select this front view, and then now go up diagonally, and this is going to make it look like just what it's on the sheet. Go ahead and click the place, and let's change the scaling. So here we're going to go to half scale, shaded, and go from here. I am going to change the line style on this one to hidden lines. So you will see that all the other ones, this is the only issue, is that if we go through and do show hidden lines on any of these, they do go through and cause a little bit of issue. So I'm going to actually go ahead and keep that off, because we're going to be able to note a lot of the depths and everything utilizing our dimension tools. As far as this goes, this sets up our views. Everything else should be ready for you to start dimensioning. So for the holes, use the hole and thread command, and then as well as making sure to place center marks on anywhere you see center marks on that drawing. For the text note, make sure you click the text option, and below we can go ahead and use that to put in this note comes from the drawings that were provided to you, and they can be put in just as being shown. So this goes through and prepares your drawing to be dimensioned, and again just replicating the same dimensions that you have on the printed drawing that has been provided to you. Check the next video to see how to set up for the train stack drawing.